It's Sven from Themecraft. In this video I want to talk about BuddyForms permission. The permission sections of BuddyForms is quite powerful, and in this video I want to go into it in detail. I'm here in the form builder. This is the normal example of our books form I have used in many forms, and if we scroll down in the form builder, under the form setup we have a tab for permissions. And in this tab, you can decide everything around the permissions. First place, you can define if it's accessible for unregistered users so that logged off users can access this form, create new posts, and even get a new user created during submission if needed. You can check this by the next option, create account during submission. And if you check this option, new tabs will come up in here. We have create video just for creating accounts during submission, and I will link it in the description below. For this video, we are focusing on that area, and this is the area where you define which rules of your WordPress installation have the rights to create, edit, delete, see all submissions, and also admin submissions. We have written it down here. Control who can create, edit, delete content that is created with this form for each user rule. If you want to create additional custom user rules, we recommend the membership plugin. That means in WordPress, we have default rules, but if you want to have more rules like shop owner, special editor, or what else, you can do so by using the membership plugin and extend these rules. If you have a setup like Ultimate Member, for example, they have their own rules management system, and you need to predefine these rules. I have created a separate video for this, and I will link this in the description. So if you use Ultimate Member, please make sure that you also check the correct rules and capability in the Ultimate Member settings. Now let's go over it quickly. As you can see, on the left side we have all the available rules. On the right side we have the capabilities. The first ones are really clear. If the user is allowed to create, to edit, to delete, and to create drafts. If you check this option, there will be a Save Draft button in your form so that your users are able to save a draft before they submit it for moderation or to publish it, depends on your setup. So these are the four basic capabilities like create, edit, delete, and draft for saving drafts before submit to publish or moderation. And we have two special ones which I want to go into in detail now. If you check the all submissions, the user rule will get all user submissions in the front end. That means he can see all the submissions also from other users created by this form. The admin submissions is a special rule to allow users to still access the back end of your site. By default, we redirect all the edit links in the front end to the correct form so that we keep the user always in the front end. But for certain rules, you maybe want them to be able to go into the back end to do certain tasks or process certain actions which aren't available in the front end. For this, we have the admin submissions. With this capabilities, you have everything in place. You can define if a user is allowed to create, edit, or delete his submissions, if he's allowed to save drafts before he submitted for the public or for moderation, if a user is allowed to see other users' posts in his list, to manage other users' posts, and we have the admin submissions so that the user can access the admin and do certain actions. We hope this video helps you. Let us know if you have any question left. We like to help. Thanks for watching.